Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use my gua sha tool to do abdominal massage. We say healthy gut, beautiful skin. So let me show you how. I need to stand up so you can see properly. This is rib cage. That's your pelvic area. So you separate the abdomen to three parts: upper, navel, middle, and lower. Begin with center to outer, always vertical, never horizontal. How you holding your place? Make sure your thumbs are this on the edge. So when you glide, you feel more comfortable. You get enough pressure. Supporting hand, working hand. 1, 2, 3. Move down middle. You can do as many times you want. And to the side. If you feel any pain or tension here, you can slow down inch by inch until the pain has released and you move on. If you don't have any problem, you just go through once. That will be enough. And this area, the beauty of this place, you see the concave? You just sit on the bone and the flesh area like that. And other side. And the end, you do the circular motion clockwise around the belly button, like that. Do this every day. It will improve your gastrointestinal function. If you have any question, do leave a comment below and have a great day. Take care.